Tuesday, October 22, 2024. Let's do a heat check. One area I want to focus on is the bottom end of the Red Sea is flaring up again. All these points here, there's 24 individual points of heat detected. All these islands are volcanic in nature. I'll take you on a tour shortly. Remember Geology Hub's video, his extreme concern about a major volcanic eruption in this area of Ethiopia. This is also where we had a series of earthquakes right here. So the bottom end of the Red Sea, once again, is flaring up. Again, these are all volcanic islands in nature. Origin. I'll take you to Google Earth in a minute to show you these. So these are all going to be in the same range, 310 to, say, 320 Kelvin. Let's go take a look at a few. Actually, before we do, and since I still have this set, I got to break away for a minute. New Zealand. There's just one that catches my attention here. Right here, including in the waters. Now, I don't know if you have a wildfire situation here. I suspect not, but let's go take a look at this one. So an area that appears to have been slumped off at some point in its history. We have some heat building up here into the water. Pancake base, or heat is here, working up its way here. Let's get back to the Red Sea. So as you can see, they're quite literally actual volcanoes. And all of these are lighting up. So there is a known hotspot called the AFAR, or AFAR, AFAR hotspot below this area, below Ethiopia, Eritrea, bottom end of the Red Sea. So once again, 24 individual detection points. These ones, almost all of them are the oil and natural gas platforms flaring off. Let's take a look at one. Here's the flare stack. That's why I ignore all of these. Etna is acting up again. Let's take a look at our temperatures, actually. Sea surface temperatures. So this has cooled down a little bit. It's only 32.8 degrees Celsius. Red Sea. But the Bay of Bengal is heating up. Between Sumatra and Malaysia. Off of Papua New Guinea here. 31.2 degrees Celsius. Our heat has changed from the Gulf of Mexico down into the Caribbean. This is where a lot of our storms are starting now. If you follow earthquakes off the coast of Central America, our earthquakes happen where we have our heated waters. Hint, hint. .7 Celsius. Take a look at our jet streams to start off at the south. Snakes and ladders. So once again, my theory is our geomagnetic excursion was north was more or less stable in Nunavut, Canada until 1903. Then it started its excursion heading in towards Siberia. It's already crossed over Santa Claus North Pole, heading into Siberia. Magnetic south was Antarctica, is now left continental Antarctica and is in the ocean between Antarctica and Australia, right about here. The convergence point, let's see if I can clear this for a minute. convergence point, if they continue, will be around the Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean, offshore Sumatra, Indonesia. So magnetic south coming up this way. Magnetic north coming down this way. If they continue, this is the meeting point. So our magnetic field lines are stronger at the poles, which are working towards this way here, which means obviously on the opposite side, the distance is increasing. The opposite side is, as I said so many times, the Americas. So this is our weaker magnetic field line protection, resulting in this mess. This is not normal. One more thing I want to point out before I leave. So the South Atlantic anomaly is an area over our planet where magnetic field is dangerously low. It's over Brazil, Atlantic Ocean extending into Africa. It's believed to have been growing. The idea that the globe is tilting down this way, so the magnetic field lines do not follow any tilt of the planet. That would put the South Atlantic anomaly further up the north over the Caribbean region. Jet streams, of course, bring in our weather systems, and because they are so chaotic, disorganized, this is why they can no longer accurately forecast our weather coming in. Northern polar, actually, we have a split here. Right here, coming down. Okay, that's it for now.